Hi, my name is Tony Cosentino. I'm a data and analytics evangelist for Capgemini Invent, and I'm excited to be unboxing the new competitive advantage, which is Experience Data. Experience data is really interesting when we start to bring it together with operational data, because operational data is really the behavioral data, the clickstream data, the telemetry data. Attitudinal data is the emotional data. It's about satisfaction, it's about loyalty. As we start to think about these together, this really presents a 360-degree view of the customer in a way that we've never had it before. And it allows brands to really form that personal relationship with individuals. Organizations can leverage experience data to make better decisions by, one, really marrying the demographic, behavioral, and attitudinal data together to give a holistic view of the customer. Second is really to bring the experience data to the systems of activation, so as those moments are triggered, we're able to react as an organization in real time or near real time to satisfy the customer. Experience data has a big role in driving growth for a company, I'd say in two ways. One is really predicting the future when we don't have behavioral data to predict the future, because attitudinal data is a leading indicator of behavioral intent and behavior. The second way is really alignment with the brand, with that brand image, and being able to communicate at those signature moments such that the brand message is congruent with the customer experience. It'd be exciting to see how experience data is brought together by organizations and really used to engage their customers.